Yeah, for more water hunt series. Yes, which should I put still needs more animals, birds, amphibians, and reptiles needs to be added in the water hunt. So yeah, here you go. Black-backed jackal, saddle-billed stork, side-striped jackal. I know you can hear me or not. Cape Barren goose, the golden jackal, crowned pigeon, marine iguana, blue-tongued skink, chuckwalla, common snapping turtle, crowned eagle, the yellow anaconda. Yeah, just I thought. I just want the snakes to be added in the water hunt series, so I decided to put them there. So yeah, let's keep moving. Anyways, yes, not just say that this name was the yellow anaconda, the timber rattlesnake, green anaconda, diamondback rattlesnake, gaboon viper, bush viper, eyelash viper, ball python, milk snake, boa constrictor, the leopard tree frog, the cotton-top tamarin, the Burmese python, proboscis monkey, the black and white colobus monkey, rock, the rock monitor lizard, copperhead, the king cobra. Yeah, oh my gosh, ignore the background, please. Okay. Anyways, the large gibbons, the eastern green mamba, the black mamba, the Malayan tiger, and the Malayan tapir. Yeah, dude, this is it for the Wild Hunt series. I think I'm kind of done for the slide right now. Okay, bye.